As the premier wholesale provider of connectivity in Botswana, we have carefully mapped out our fiber-to-the-home connection process to enable seamless connectivity for end users by their preferred service providers. We start off by carrying out engagements with residents and building owners before any work starts off in the selected areas. After stakeholder engagements and consultations, designated contractors will carry out civil works at an FTTH selected area, on new routes and subducting on the existing network routes as they prepare the site for fiber optic installation works. In certain areas, civil works may be necessary to expand the existing network routes. The civil works include trenching, pole planting, the removal of paving, horizontal drilling, thrust boring, and/or the cutting of slabs. After civil works, all affected areas will be rehabilitated to their original state. Following civil works, the fiber cables are drawn from the underground ducts to the distribution poles along the streets. This process is known as a home pass connection. One distribution network pole can feed up to 8 homes in one area. When the home pass connection is complete, you can now contact your service provider for a home connection. Upon the receipt of the end user's request, the selected service provider then contacts BoFiNet for a home connection, upon which we will carry out a feasibility exercise to determine whether the connection can be done underground or overhead. BoFiNet will then notify you when the installation team will arrive and the name of the company. The end user must then decide with the installation team the position of the access termination box, ATB, and the optical network termination, ONT, before installing near an electricity point. At the end of the installation, the customer must sign the home connection sheet, which has the serial number of the modem and the plot number. Please note, the ONT and ATB remain the property of BoFiNet and should not be removed from the premises. Once the work of the BoFiNet installation team is done, your service provider will come in to install their customer premises equipment, CPE.